Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a rewarding journey that connects us with nature and brings life to our surroundings. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a small balcony, growing plants offers countless benefits. Fresh air, beautiful flowers, and nutritious vegetables. It teaches patience, responsibility, and the joy of nurturing living things. However, successful gardening requires knowledge and care, from preparing the soil to protecting plants from diseases. This video shares practical, natural tips to help you grow strong seedlings, boost plant health, and overcome common challenges, ensuring your garden flourishes throughout the seasons. Embrace these simple yet effective methods and watch your garden transform into a vibrant, thriving space. Tip number 1. Today I will show you how to grow seedlings naturally, make vegetable seeds germinate quickly, and ensure strong, healthy sprouts. For new useful content, subscribe to the channel. It's free. You can grow seedlings organically in a fast, simple, and inexpensive way by preparing an effective calcium supplement to prevent young seedling death. Rice water is one of the best natural fertilizers because it is rich in calcium, which strengthens plants and makes them resistant to environmental stress, diseases, and pests. To make rice water, soak 5 tablespoons of rice in 1 liter of cold water for 2 hours. Strain and use the water to irrigate seeds and soil. Calcium is essential for root system development. Without enough calcium, metabolism worsens, root growth stops, and plants get fewer nutrients, becoming vulnerable to diseases and drying out. Rice water also contains potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, supporting healthy plant growth, making it an excellent fertilizer for seeds. Cover seeds with plastic sheets to retain moisture and speed germination. After germination, apply this calcium supplement every 10-15 days. Rice water maintains soil moisture, encourages healthy growth, and protects plants from diseases. It even helps old seeds germinate faster. You can use rice water for cucumber, pepper, tomato, zucchini, eggplant, and other crops. Avoid overwatering as excess moisture can cause root rot. Keep soil evenly moist for optimal growth. Tip number 2. Follow these tips when planting tomatoes to get healthy, large fruits and a bountiful harvest. Sometimes tomato seedlings look weak before planting. If so, soak the tomato roots in water before planting. The roots hydrate the plant. Adding a spoonful of sugar to the water helps plants revive quickly and get ready for planting. Plant tomatoes deep by digging a hole 25-30 centimeters deep so that 2/3 of the plant is underground. Tomato roots grow from the stem wherever it touches the soil, so burying more stem means bigger roots. Add organic fertilizer to the planting hole. Also, add a spoonful of wood ash or bone meal to each hole. Wood ash contains potassium and calcium carbonate, which regulate soil acidity and provide minerals essential for tomatoes. Potassium supports fruit development and plant health. Bone meal is rich in phosphorus, promoting root growth and enhancing flowering and fruiting. Phosphorus is vital for energy transfer and fruit ripening. Tomatoes often suffer from fruit bottom rot caused by calcium deficiency. Low soil pH and drought or improper watering can cause this. Supplement calcium naturally with bone meal or wood ash. Avoid watering tomato leaves and stems as they dislike getting wet. Watering on the soil surface can create a hard crust that must be broken. To water deeply planted tomatoes, bury a plastic pot or bottle with holes near the roots and pour water into it. This delivers water directly to the roots while keeping leaves and surface soil dry. Tip number 3. Another excellent method for planting tomato seedlings involves proper soil preparation and fertilization. Soil is the plant's home, providing nutrients and support. Enrich soil by adding natural fertilizers like wood ash, which contains phosphorus, potassium, calcium, iron, and other minerals. Wood ash contains about 25% calcium, excellent for tomatoes. You can mix wood ash into the soil before planting or create a liquid fertilizer by mixing ash with water to water plants. This helps roots absorb nutrients quickly. Regularly test soil nutrient levels to ensure plants get what they need. Before transplanting tomato seedlings, sprinkle wood ash in the soil and mix it well. If you don't have wood ash, use bone meal, crushed eggshells, or powdered chalk. After mixing, water the soil and wait a few minutes to ensure roots have moisture and reduce transplant shock. When planting, bury the tomato stem deep to encourage strong root development. The deeper the stem, the more roots develop, resulting in healthier, more productive plants. Following these steps will help you grow healthy, abundant tomatoes. Tip number 4. Plant diseases like blight and powdery mildew can damage cucumber seedlings, tomatoes, and other vegetables. Blight is a fungal disease that thrives in warm, humid conditions, showing brown spots on leaves, powdery coating under leaves, and rotting fruit. Powdery mildew appears as a white powdery substance on leaves, stems, and fruits, reducing yield and weakening plants. A simple remedy uses milk and baking soda. Mix 1 deciliter of milk with 1 liter of warm water. Milk contains proteins and enzymes that inhibit fungal growth and support beneficial microorganisms that fight infections and boost plant resistance. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the mixture. Baking soda changes leaf pH, making it hard for fungi to survive and spread. Spray plants regularly with this solution to reduce disease symptoms and prevent spread. Mix ingredients thoroughly so baking soda dissolves completely. Spray plants as needed. This remedy also supplies nutrients like protein, sodium, calcium, and potassium, supporting plant growth. Use milk and baking soda instead of harsh chemicals to combat blight and powdery mildew safely and eco-friendly.
और यार तेल भी तो नहीं तुम दाग दो मैं हम दाग दूंगा बस ये करना और कोई मसला नहीं है 12 का जो थे वो एक दस के बाद चलो ठीक है
Tip number 5. If your cucumbers are not growing or developing after planting, a miracle top dressing can help them grow vigorously, increase green mass, and produce a rich harvest. Spring temperature drops below 10 degrees at night can stop cucumber growth or kill plants. Poor watering can also cause slow growth. If these factors are not the issue, lack of nutrition is likely.
खाना भी एटलीस्ट स्पॉट ही आता रहो और यार तेल भी तो नहीं तुम दाग दो मैं हम दाग दूंगा बस ये करना और कोई मसला नहीं है 12 का जो थे वो एक दस के बाद
Make a homemade liquid fertilizer with 1 liter warm water, tablespoon dry yeast. 1 tablespoon sugar pour, warm water into a container, add dry yeast, then sugar. Yeast contains beneficial microbes that break down soil nutrients, making them easier for plants to absorb. Sugar feeds the yeast fungi, helping them multiply. Cover the container to protect yeast from UV light and let it ferment for at least 2 hours. While waiting, remove weeds and thin, crowded cucumber plants. Loosen the top inch of soil around plants to aerate and improve nutrient absorption. Before applying the liquid fertilizer, add organic fertilizer like manure or wood ash, which is rich in calcium, potassium, and micronutrients. Check soil moisture. Water if dry before applying fertilizer because yeast thrives in moist soil.
खाना भी एटलीस्ट स्पॉट ही आता रहो और यार तेल भी तो नहीं तुम दाग दो
After fermentation, dilute the fertilizer by mixing 1 part fertilizer with 5 parts warm water to avoid over-fertilization. Yeast emits carbon dioxide and breaks down organic matter into nutrients plants can absorb. This method consistently promotes vigorous cucumber growth and also works well for peppers, eggplants, and tomatoes during early growth stages. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to support the channel.